Hi! So there's a lot of chaos in the world, and we don't need to bring that home or to work with us. I'm here to help you clear out the clutter and unwind from everything that's happening out there and get really straight and present in here with what's within you and around you in your private home or working space. My name is Josie Adele. I have a background in interior design, jewelry design, and in the last 5 years, I've been really focused on human health in the built environment. I've seen over the years how people live and work, and I've really awakened to the struggles that we all experience in this lifetime. It's really just the human factor of it all. And for those of us that are living in truth and with our greatest authenticity and seeking greater harmony day by day, there are not enough tools, or actually there are enough tools in the world today, especially with these modern moments that we are experiencing in technology, in healthcare, in coaching, in leadership, and in the awareness that's been uprising and surfacing around our food system, around our healthcare system, and around the way we live, work, and obtain knowledge and learn. And filtering through all of those things out there and understanding where the truths lie, that's where I come in to help you. I've really enjoyed following everything I can about the food revolution, about preventive health care, about how to make our homes more safe, more secure, and more peaceful. And I want to help you with this. If any of this resonates with you, drop me a message, click on the contact, and reach out to me. I'd love to help you through mental fitness. I've been studying and practicing for 2 years a coaching program around positivity. I'd love to help you with detoxification. It really does matter what we eat, but not only what we eat, but how we utilize the plants and herbs that the earth provides in order for our systems to breathe, think, and regulate more clearly. And to conclude, that same type of regulation and clear paths that we have in the body is also reflected in our homes and our workplaces. And that's where I utilize the power of classical feng shui and integrating nature with our living environments in order to experience greater harmony in our day-to-day. Again, my name is Josie Adele, and I'm looking forward to helping you love life and live well. Take care.